Take a well-deserved vacation from doubt and trepidation. Get unit trends to help you play it safe.
Hi, I'm Ben Capello from PhD Virtual. I'm here today to talk about disaster recovery assurance. So what exactly is DR assurance and what are the potential benefits it can bring to your business? Put simply, DR assurance is a methodology which enables you to guarantee your critical virtualized applications are fully recoverable in case of disaster or outage. Not only that, but it goes one step further and provides the ability to drive full concrete compliance with SLAs from an RPO and RTO perspective. So how do we go about doing that? If you take a look up at the whiteboard here, you'll see a fairly simplified architectural overview of a typical virtualized environment. With your production site on the left-hand side, number of virtual machines sat on top of a hypervisor with some sort of shared storage underneath. Within those virtual machines will be applications. So what we're looking at here is SharePoint with an IIS, VM, a SQL server and an application server. Underneath that environment you'd have some form of replication in place, taking data stores across to your secondary site. We don't mind what replication technology you use. We fully support array-based replication from your storage virtualization vendors, and in addition we do provide our own host-based replication technology. ReliableDR is the name of our product and it's installed here in the secondary site. There's zero footprint in the production environment. Once you've installed the software, there's a few things that you need to tell it. First of all, you would define the virtual machines that are delivering the application, in this case SharePoint. Secondly, you'd set a recovery point objective for that application. Thirdly, a recovery time objective. And finally, you configure some application level tests which are designed to check the integrity of that service to make sure that it would fail over successfully. Once you've configured those things, ReliableDR is ready to protect that application. And the way we do that is by talking to your secondary site storage array and taking a snapshot of those virtual machines which have been replicated over. We present that snapshot to your secondary site hypervisor and we recover the application inside a network isolated environment. At that point we execute the tests that we've predefined, and if those tests execute successfully and if it takes less than 15 minutes, which is the RTO we have for this application, we would say that that has been successful and we would catalogue that snapshot as a certified recovery point. At that stage this environment would be taken down and we'd wait for 1 hour before repeating the process. By creating certified recovery points every hour in line with your recovery point objective, we're able to guarantee compliance, and we know that the failover time is less than 15 minutes because we're able to track and monitor that also. If it comes to failover, it's a simple case of being able to log into the ReliableDR console, right-click, failover. The applications will come back online in the secondary site quickly, predictably, and ready for your end users to access. So if we take a look at some of the benefits that this solution can provide, we believe that it reduces risk. It provides guaranteed application level recovery. We believe recovery is not about data, but it's about applications and services that are critical to the ongoing running of your business. We're also able to enforce RPO and RTO SLAs on a per application basis. It also has the ability to reduce cost. So because we're able to automate disaster recovery testing, we're able to save money. Now Gartner have estimated that a DR test could cost upward of $25,000 per time, and it's easy to imagine how doing this once, twice, 3 or 4 times per year, this cost can quickly escalate. The final benefit I'd like to highlight is the reduction in complexity. It's one tool that protects all the applications in your virtual environment. It provides push-button failover and failback and centralized reporting, very important from an audit or compliance perspective. Here's a screenshot of our web-based compliance dashboard, which gives you a real-time view on your current state of recovery readiness. Behind the dashboard you also have the ability to run off PDF reports, which can show details of the tests conducted over the past 6, 9 or 12 months. Just like to point out also that there's a free download of this available at www.phdvirtual.com, and I'd like to thank you very much for listening.